Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching the very best collection of beautiful, amazing hairstyles, Bantu hairstyles for black women and ladies. These are amazing collection of hairstyles that make you stand out, give you that unique look that you've always wanted. This upload will also give you an idea on how to style your Bantu knot. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for your support throughout the years. I'm grateful. And if this is your first time here, you are most welcome to this amazing family. Also guys, don't forget to check out my store. We have new merchandise in store, so do check it out. What you see is what you get, and we ship from the United States to anywhere you are. Thank you so much family. Please do not forget to hit the like, share to friends and family, and as well turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any comment. Thank you so much family. Do enjoy this amazing video today.